If you're a teacher, you probably know how much time it takes to create tests. Writing questions and checking the answers used to be a long process, but one that was vital to check on each student's attainment. Then, along came Google Forms, and the chance to create, store, and share tests. This was, or at least should have been, good news for teachers. Google Forms meant easily creating tests, and no need of checking the results, since they are automatic. What was there to not love about it? Quite a lot actually. When the COVID pandemic struck, all the world went from class to Google Classroom, from teaching face-to-face to remote learning. This should have become Google Forms tests' finest hour, yet, teachers discovered that remote learning brought further problems. Teachers realized that students were messaging each other the answers, and copying from each other, making life harder for teachers. So, can teachers create tests that students can't copy? That's why we created Test Expander, to revolutionize online testing. Test Expander is a simple way to enhance Google Forms tests and generate random tests for each student. When each student has their own version of the test, copying or sharing answers becomes impossible. So, how does Test Expander work? It expands the capacity of Google Form testing function. With Google Forms, you can only shuffle the existing questions and shuffle the answers. Test Expander add-on uses the section feature. With Test Expander, you can tell Google how many questions you want and it will choose it randomly. Which means each student has a different combination of questions. This way, cheating becomes almost impossible. Test Expander is easy to download from Google Forms apps, and creating tests is easy. You don't need any specialist knowledge or technical skills. Buy Test Expander today and receive free lifetime updates. Yes, free lifetime updates, so you can continue creating and sharing tests throughout your teaching career. Test Expander takes Google Forms to a whole new level to help you and your students learn. Get yours now.